She is feeling shy, but I will ask something and she will say,
I'm having very fun with my siblings.
hello everyone, I am Meera and I'm from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. So guys, this time is morning time and you can just see the face is light up with the sunlight, and I'm finding peace here. And today I will show you some new members in my video because they are my sister's daughters. They are also uh, very interested to come to my video, and they also know little bit English and they want to improve it. So just I will show you. So wait. So with one girl I will do conversation in English, and she is in the class of 8th and she also know English. So she also knows English, and she wants to improve her English too. So I think this will be so benefit. So wait, I will show you. You can just see one girl is there and second one is here. Janvi, come. Only for 5 minutes. She is not ready to come. Don't know why, but she doesn't want to come in the video. But I will convince her, and wait. So let's do conversation with her. So Janvi, how are you feeling right now? She is feeling shy, but how are you feeling right now? Because you are in, because right now you are in Granny's home.
I'm feeling very peaceful here. I'm having very fun with my siblings.
And more.
Nothing, just I'm happy and I'm feeling peaceful. Thank you for
Listening me. Okay, thanks for coming in my video. And second one, girl is here also. You can just see when I talked about her, she is just running, and will you speak something? No, I will ask something and she will say, Srija, will you speak something? She is saying something, but leave it. Guys, you can just see that there are many more persons. No, there are many more members in my video. You can just see. So guys, this is only for fun, but you can just think that if now she is just speaking like this type of English, then later she will be so fluent in English, and we should motivate like this type of girls or this type of children. So I think if you have children in your home like this, then you should motivate them and you should practice with them, because they are the future of our nation. So you can change them right now. You can just try to change, and you can just start changing their habits and languages from right now. So I think this video is so helpful for you, and if you learned something from this video, so please comment in the comment box that what have you learned, and please comment that from where you are watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel English with Meera, and please share this video with your friends and relatives. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.